Hi, my name is Levi Moore and I work here at Drexel University Sacramento on the IRT staff, and this is going to be a brief tutorial about cloud storage. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover what cloud storage is, how to use the cloud storage service Dropbox, and then a use case for maybe what you would use cloud storage for. Now, the term the cloud has kind of become a marketing term, and it's often used as a catch-all for networked computing. But for our purposes, it's remote storage of files that are accessed over the internet on multiple devices. So if you signed up for a cloud storage service like Dropbox, Box.com, or iCloud, they provide you with space on their servers where you can store files in the cloud, and then you can access those files on all of your devices, on your laptop, on your tablet, or on your smartphone. And then all the files are in sync via the cloud storage service. So if you make a change to a file on your laptop, that change will show up on your tablet and your smartphone and vice versa. Now, the way cloud storage works is through synced folders. On your computer, you designate the folder you want synced, and all the files in that folder sync with the folder in the cloud. And on your other devices, this is usually handled by an app which you will need to install from the App Store. Now, your files can be whatever you want. They can be documents, images, PowerPoints, etc. And you can also create folders within the synced folder, and those folders will sync with the cloud as well. And there's usually a size limit that varies by provider, but right now, with everyone competing for your business, those size limits are usually pretty high. So now that we've covered what cloud storage is, let's sign up for a service. We're going to look at Dropbox, which is a very popular cloud storage provider. Currently, they're offering 50 gigabytes free, which is a pretty good amount of space. And I'm also going to show you how to install the Dropbox app on your computer. So to sign up for Dropbox, you can just go to www.dropbox.com. This will be the splash screen, and click sign up. You fill out the appropriate information. Select the password. You have to agree to the terms and then sign up. So once you sign in, immediately you'll see down here that Dropbox has begun downloading the app that you need to install to keep the folders synced up with the cloud. It downloaded really quick, and if you open it, you'll see that it's very simple. There's the instructions here. Run the Dropbox installer, double click the Dropbox icon, and then you're good to go. Super simple. On Windows, using Internet Explorer, the process is the same. You'll get a prompt and click Run, and the download will begin. You might get a security prompt, and when that happens, go ahead and click Run again to continue the download. Now, once the installer is downloaded, it will launch, and you install Dropbox like any other application. So we'll click Install, and you will want to select I already have a Dropbox account, and then use the email and password that you used during sign up at Dropbox.com. And the installer will create a special folder with the Dropbox icon called your Dropbox folder. Now, in your Windows Explorer file window, you'll see a Dropbox icon under your favorites. And now any file you save to this folder will be synced with the cloud and available to you on your other devices and online. Now that we've signed into Dropbox and got it installed, let me show you some examples of how to use it. We're going to save a file locally to the Dropbox folder, then upload a file to Dropbox.com, and then look at sharing files and folders. So let's say you have a Word document, and you need to save it. So you just go to File, Save As, you select your Dropbox folder, and you can see I already have some folders in there. Let's create a new folder called Drexel, and I'll save it as my group project. So now if you look at your Dropbox folder, you can see this blue icon means that it is currently syncing with the cloud. You can see these have green. Now that one just turned to green, meaning that this document will be available at Dropbox.com in your home on your home folder there. So why don't we check that out? I'll log in to Dropbox.com, sign in, and sure enough, there's a Drexel folder that I just created, and within that Drexel folder is my group project.docx, and if you click it, there you go. So now let's look at if you want to upload a file you already have saved, and maybe you're not on your computer, maybe you're on your work computer, and you just want to upload something while you're logged into Dropbox.com. We could go back to our home folder and select one of these to upload the file. We'll just go ahead and select Drexel again. You can click on this upload icon, choose files. We'll find something from our documents folder. Here's a group project that I had. Done. So now this folder has been uploaded to our Drexel folder. If we go back to where our Drexel folder is, you can see that it's synced downwardly, and it's also available to me right there. Now, since this is a group project, and maybe I have some other team members that I want to share this with, you can click this share link, and I could add some emails. I'll use my work email here. I make a message. And then send it off. And then that person will be invited to see this file. So to quickly summarize, cloud storage is a set of folders that are always in sync. This functionality is provided by a third party like Dropbox and makes your files accessible on all your devices. You can sign up for a free account at Dropbox.com, and you don't have to use a computer that has Dropbox on it. You can always just log into the Dropbox.com website from whatever computer you're using and upload the files using the upload feature. As always, if you have questions, email the IRT staff at satconsult.drexel.edu. Thanks a lot.